do this. So, we're at Steven's very nice house. So this is the same house I record ceiling fan from. It's got the same ceiling fan, although I do have one ceiling fan that's in here. So guys, here it is. This fan is beautiful. It's fan light. And this is actually the fan little chain. It's not. I can't see it's hitting the lights. So here's light. See, you can see not only do the shades light up, but there's a globe that also lights up. So that's what makes the fan even more beautiful. It looks pretty old though. You have to clean it. But man, look at this fan. Very cool. That was a bad idea. So guys, the ceiling fan. It's very cool. For you. I'll set down the camera. So, yeah, and it's pretty old. So there's light off. We've got fan, and ladies and gentlemen, I bought this fan from Innovation Incorporated Ceiling Fan Store. And look. I told you this fan was modern. Wait, what's happening? That's the fan doing that. I'll just set down the camera. Set down the camera. Pretty old, but it is modern. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's a full description of the Hunter 3 lighter. We also have a Harbor Breeze Impact in my room. So, in here, Harbor Breeze Impact 48-inch. Still haven't installed the second triangle yet, but it takes a second triangle because I think it looks better with one triangle. Yeah, you can see this thing's a new ceiling fan. So, yeah. Harbor Breeze Impact is my brand new ceiling fan. I got it from Innovation Incorporated Ceiling Fan Stores. Here's the light, then fan. Yeah, that's a full demonstration of both of the new ceiling fans. I think I love this one.